Now we're going to be learning about the operator precedence. And when we talk about precedence, we're talking about the order in which operations are evaluated in expressions. And we're going to be focusing on arithmetic operations. So when we talk about arithmetic operations, we have a concept known as PEDMAS. This is an abbreviation where P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponentiation, we have division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So what happens is that if you have an arithmetic expression where there is a parenthesis and maybe a division and subtraction, the expressions inside of the parentheses are going to evaluate before every other one. So parentheses evaluates before exponentiation, and after exponentiation we have division, and the least we have here is subtraction. So let's have this example. We have result is equal to 1 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Looking at this expression, it is easy to assume the result to be 1 plus 2, which is 3, multiplied by 3, which is 9. But this is not so. So let's print result. And from the output, you can see that we have 7. So let's look at what happened. If you look at this expression, we have the plus or addition operator here. We have the multiplication operator here. So this operation is going to be evaluated first before the addition. And for this, we have 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. Then you now perform addition operation, which is 1 plus 6, giving us 7. And let's have another example again. We'll have result is equal to 4 minus 1 plus 8. Then let's have multiplied by 2. If you look at this expression, if you start from the left to evaluate this expression, we're going to have 4 minus 1, which is 3. 3 plus 8, which is 11. 11 multiplied by 2, which is 22. But this is wrong as well, because we follow the PEDMAS rule when evaluating arithmetic operations. And here we have multiplication here. So we're going to perform multiplication before every other operations. And 8 times 2 is 16. So this is going to give us an expression like this. We'll have 4 minus 1 plus 16. And 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 plus 16 is 19. So let's print our result. We'll have print result, and this is going to give us 19, which is contrary to the 22 we got when we started evaluating without taking note of the order of operators from the left. And another thing you have to take into consideration is when you have an expression like this and you want to force Python to evaluate it in a given way. For instance, you can enclose 4 minus 1 plus 8 inside of a parenthesis. So this way you are going to get 4 minus 1, which is 3, plus 8, which is 11, multiplied by 2, which will give you 22. So we have 22 this time around. And the reason for this is because expressions inside of parentheses are evaluated before every other expressions. So this is basically about the PEDMAS rule, which we use in arithmetic operations.